Well, naturally. The Congress building houses the two chambers. This is why people... It is not. It is called this way because of the two constitutional assemblies that laid the ground for a later constitution, the assemblies of 1813 and 1816. They didn't last in time very long, but they did pass important pieces of legislation. They abolished all nobility titles, abolished the Inquisition, established the national symbol. Forgotten here. If you ask people of Buenos Aires if they remember this incredible treasury sitting right here, I can guarantee 99% of them has forgotten. Alright, so this is Palacio Barolo, and as I told you before, everything in this building makes a reference to the Divine Comedy. The amount of symbolism is completely overwhelming. This building is 100 meters tall, the same amount of chants as in the Divine Comedy. And you know, this book is written in poetry, and poetry has a certain mathematical proportion to it. So Palandi, the architect, tried to use this proportion as far as he could for the whole building. The obelisk is an integral part of our city and a beloved symbol. It is actually a monument for the 400-year anniversary of the city of Buenos Aires from the first foundation, from the one in 1536 that was destroyed. This was made in 1936 in under 60 days by a German company. As many people, sometimes there's no one. There's no logic. If you happen to come by and there's no queue, I would totally advise to go inside to have a coffee or a tea. Also very customary here, chocolate with churros. Yes, the water line during the colonial time was just below this depression there. All the land that is from there to the actual shore now, almost 800 meters, was won to the river in the first decades of the 20th century. In the colonial time, river started just down there. That white colonial building across the plaza is our cabildo. That is the building that held the government throughout the whole colonial period. And also where our revolution independence started, 25th of May of 1810. Yes, every major political event in Argentina either started or has some repercussion in Plaza de Mayo. But what I would like to discuss with you this afternoon is about the symbol on the floor. Can you all see it? Come a little closer. There's another one here. Can you see this symbol?
The mother.
Yes. Do you know what this represents? Exactly.